Hi everyone, it's Claire back again, and it's Meebox time again. Before I start, let me tell you what I've got on my nails. This revolting yellowy green black matte crelly, but I love it. I absolutely love it. It's just a really fun twist on a horrendous, vile, disgusting, ugly, pretty shade. And it clashes horribly with my red skin, but I love it. And it's this model's own, and it's called Goose. And I picked this up from a Poundland yesterday when I was in London by the train station. So yeah, I really like the formula. It's just, yeah, it's brilliant. I just love it. So that's Goose Model's Own. So we received an email, so I know that this month's theme is the Chelsea Flower Show. So I'm imagining like floral, pastel, spring shades. Yeah, Meebox is a subscription that I used to get, and I got a little bit kind of, I don't know, bored with it. Didn't really like all of the polishes that were sent. I'll probably end up destashing some of these polishes pretty swiftly as well. I thought I'd cancelled it, but I'd actually set it up to just delay until April, which I'd completely forgotten about, and then realised and then cancelled it. But I've still got these 3 boxes, so I've done April's, this is May, and I'm going to be doing June. So with that being said, let's have a look at this Chelsea Flower Show themed Meebox. Okay, yep, so Chelsea Flower Show, Spring has Sprung, so that's the theme. And yes, you get 5 items with Meebox. I think it's £20 a month. I was doing a quarterly subscription, so it's £54 every 3 months, and you get 5 items, usually 3 polishes. Ooh, a Zoya. Oh wow, this is interesting. This is Jace. I suppose it is a kind of flowery Chelsea Flower Show themed green. But yeah, that's Jace. Never heard of it before. But as you know, I'm not a huge Zoya collector. And oh, it looks like we've got an A England. This is A England Peas Blossom a Fairy. And it looks like a magenta, a very bright magenta pink. So it is a kind of, that does feel floral spring to me. And this is a fantastic polish, but I've already got it. And it is a big bottle, so I'm not interested in a backup, but I'm going to destash this, and I would say that this is probably the best yellow nail polish that I've ever used. The formula is fantastic. So actually, yeah, they do go together well as a theme. I'm definitely, just on first impressions, liking this box for the polishes more than last month's. I'll swatch these polishes in a minute. And we also have, wow, it's a very, lots of kind of wormy snow. So some floral decals, that's from Deco It. And I have used these decals before actually, not these designs, but something quite similar, floral designs, and they're actually pretty good. They're not too thick. So I may have a go at some spring floral nail art with these nail stickers. And then we've got, wow, we have nail tattoos. Oh no, hand tattoos. Hand tattoos from Moyu. So how do you do this? Cut out the design, damp cloth. So this is kind of a bit like the tattoos you used to do when you were a kid, where it's like a transfer. Okay, not really my kind of thing, so I will probably pass this on to somebody else, but it's a good idea, and I do like the floral theme for it. But I would have preferred something that was more nail art. So yeah, not so sure about these 2 items. But the polishes I'm quite interested in, so let's have a look at them. This is 7 dials, and it's just an amazing yellow formula. I just love this one. Depending on how you apply, and if your nails are short, you can maybe even get this opaque in one coat. But yeah, it's a fabulous yellow, 7 dials nails ink. This one is Peas Blossom a Fairy from A England. Now, this isn't my kind of colour, but it's a very saturated, bright magenta pink. So I'm going to wear this before I decide to keep it or not, but it is actually quite a pretty shade. So that's the A England. I don't know what that name means, if anybody knows what that means. I don't know if this is a kind of Shakespearean themed. And this one I'm quite interested in. This is the Zoya Jace. I'm trying to think if I've got a similar dupe for this. This is, it looks like a jelly or a kind of crelly formula. Why do I always have problems with Zoya formulas? That looks really patchy to me and not very opaque at all. Oh God, I just have such bad luck with Zoyas. I was going to say it looks a little bit like I'm So Swamped, but actually it's much paler than that. Let me try it. Did I get something trapped in there? I'm going to try that again just in case it was my application. No, I don't like the formula. Yeah, it's a kind of crelly. Oh, how disappointing. Right, okay. So that's 2, even though I like the shades of the polishes, that's going to be 2 polishes from the Meebox that I'm destashing immediately. I will probably keep the A England, but I'm just going to see what it's like to wear. I wouldn't have destashed the yellow if I hadn't already had it, and it is a fantastic yellow. This looks really pretty actually, but I'm disappointed in the Zoya. Right, okay, and I did notice, I know Nika will be saying, check in the packaging, there's another item. So this fell out, and it's Miss Cat Nails, a dotting tool. So yeah, handy dotting tool. So that was a 6th item from the box. That's it for May's Meebox. I'm interested to find out what's in next month's box. I'm disappointed in that Zoya. I was really hoping with it being a green that it'd be a Zoya that I'd want to keep, but yeah, I just have problems with Zoya. It's my bogey brand. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know if you've got Meebox, what items you like. Do you like this weird, ugly, pretty Model Zone? I love it. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!